Hey everybody, I just did this plastic wrap pour and I'm going to go do a mallet smash in the same colors. So follow me over here. And I already have my canvas set up with white paint. There we go. So that's already done. I just need to put my gloves on. So I'm going to use the same colors, which was an orange, a medium yellow, Prussian blue, carmine red, and rose. Oh, and I see I missed a whole portion of the side of this canvas. This is a 10 by 10 inch canvas. So start with the orange. Put the lid back on it so that when I smash I don't get it in the paint. Medium yellow. The lid does not want to go on. Now for the rose. Whoa, got quite a lot there. And the red does have a little bit of silicone because I am just using up what I used on the last pour, and it had silicone in it. So we'll see what that does. I never use silicone in my mallet smashes, so I don't know if it'll do anything or not. Oops, I just threw that on the floor. Now for Prussian blue. Put a lid on that. Get my mallet, smash away. Smashed all on me. Definitely a difference with the silicone. I don't normally get cells. Try and wipe up my leg, but that's kind of pointless. I normally do not get any cells like this. So I don't know what'll happen. Looked like torching did not activate them further, which is a good thing because I've got plenty. The colors I love. And this has iridescent medium, so that's really pretty along the edge. And you can, so it'll be sparkly. I don't think I like the mallet smash as much with the silicone. I like it better without. That's pretty cool. It's pretty. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.